Edgefolio Hedge Fund Tracker app pricing explained what you get for your money. Edgefolio is a specialized app designed for hedge fund investors, family offices, and professional asset managers who need real-time portfolio tracking, performance analysis, and detailed fund reporting. Many people assume tools like this are prohibitively expensive or overly complex, but Edgefolio offers pricing models suited to different user needs. The app provides a free demo that allows you to explore basic fund tracking, reporting templates, and performance visualizations. For full access, Edgefolio offers subscription plans starting at per month for smaller portfolios. Higher tier plans are custom priced based on assets under management and the level of reporting and analytics required, which can include advanced dashboards, automated investor reporting, and integration with third-party data providers. Most people get this wrong by assuming the free version is useless. In fact, even the demo allows users to understand fund structures, track performance metrics, and test reporting templates without committing to a subscription. It's an excellent way to see whether the app fits your workflow before investing. The surprising truth about Edgefolio is that it's not just about tracking numbers. The platform provides actionable insights, such as identifying performance trends, benchmarking against peers, and highlighting potential risks in your hedge fund portfolio. For example, you can see which funds consistently outperform and which may need rebalancing. In conclusion, Edgefolio pricing is flexible and transparent. Whether you're a smaller investor exploring the demo or a professional managing large hedge funds, the app provides tools to streamline reporting, monitor performance, and make informed investment decisions. For anyone serious about hedge fund investing, Edgefolio combines clarity, efficiency, and value for your money.